Hey guys, welcome back to another AI video. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to export your Claude AI data. First, make sure you are logged into your account, then look to the lower left corner and click on your account right here. Then look to the lower left um, and a little bit up you will see next select settings. From there go like that. From there, go to privacy. If you scroll down a bit, you will see an option called export data. Or if you have enough big screen, you don't need to scroll. Click on that and then choose export data, all, and again explore export data again. This will send an email. Export started. This will send an email um, to to you so you can actually export your data. So as you can see now, I checked my email. I can press download data, and now I have successfully downloaded my data from Claude AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.